Hi, I'm Megan Hoover, and I go to school in Beaverton, Oregon. The school I go to is called Health and Science School, and today we're going to be going to WACOM to interview an engineer about innovations in graphic design and their products. Hi, thanks for having us. Could you tell us what you do here at WACOM?
My name is Konrad Pollmann. I've been working at WACOM for quite some time. Actually, my 24th anniversary is coming up, and all this time I've been working in product development. The most recent product that I worked on, and I was lucky to work on from beginning to the end, is the WACOM ProPen 3D. We noticed that our customers are doing more and more development in 3D environments. Now in Photoshop and in the 2D environment, you only have to navigate on a single plane, right? In 3D, you have to orient the product also, the thing that you're working on, the model. And people didn't have enough control on our pen. They always had to have one hand on the keyboard, somewhere over there, just even to do the basic stuff.
Yeah, that seems really uncomfortable to do all the time.
So yes, you want to have the product to be comfortable to use. Our designers, our customers, they use the same pen for 8 hours at a time sometimes. And even though the 3D designers used WACOM pens, we could make their life easier. We can make it better for them. So we figured if we could get them initial control on the pen, then they would be able to work just with the pen again for at least for the basic stuff. So in the end, when you look at the pen, what you see is we have a third button. Once we got that idea, and once the company said, yeah, let's do that, I took one of our old pen designs and asked the engineers to just, with a soldering iron, add one more button to each of the pens, and then I went ahead and used an X-Acto knife and glue to put additional buttons on this pen. And then we invited users and potential users to come to WACOM and gave them this pen, and then we asked them afterwards, so, what do you think? And they would say, well, this feature works, but this should work a little bit differently. Next step was the industrial design, meaning what shape do we give the pen? Our designers came up with lots of different pen shapes and button shapes, and so we had to decide which one is the right one. And then we decided, well, let's see how they would feel. And you can see here, we have these 3D printed pens actually. We call it the WACOM ProPen 3D because it allows you to navigate in 3D. And so just a short demonstration, here's actually a CAD model of this very pen. And when I use my pen and press the front button, I can tumble it and look at it from different angles. When I press the side button, the bottom button, I have two functions on it. One is I can move it around, pan it, or when I press the button and then go down on the tip, I can zoom in and out.
That's amazing, though.
And then the last button, of course, that's the right click, because people always need the right click to open menus and stuff like that. And now you can do all the basic work in 3D just from your pen without having to reach to your keyboard all the time.
Man, you guys make a great team, though, because this is really amazing. I really enjoyed going to WACOM because as an artist, it's really important for me to see all the thought that gets put into the products that I'm going to be using. And it's just really special to see how it's all made, how they think about it, how they put it together. So I'd really like to thank WACOM and Konrad for the experience.